This 2017 K-Z Durango Gold G380FLF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a Alabaster, Aurora, Galaxy interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 67 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.